Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to an OPPO mobile. First, confirm your OPPO mobile and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. It is crucial your printer supports wireless printing or Wi-Fi Direct. You should also ensure your OPPO device's software is current for best performance. Many manufacturers offer a dedicated app, which can greatly simplify the process. To use Wi-Fi Direct, begin by opening your OPPO mobile settings and finding connection and sharing. From there, select the printing option, then choose Wi-Fi Direct. Simultaneously, activate the Wi-Fi Direct feature on your printer. Your printer will then appear on your OPPO devices list. Simply tap its name to connect. This method creates a direct link, bypassing your router. Your OPPO mobile often requires a specific printer plugin. Search for Default Print Service or your printer's official brand plugin in the App Store. After installation, navigate to your phone settings, then connection and sharing, and finally printing. Here, enable the newly installed plugin by toggling it on. This service acts as a bridge, allowing your OPPO device to understand and send print jobs to your specific printer model. Printing from your OPPO mobile is straightforward once connected. Open the item you want to print, whether it's a photo, document, or web page. Look for the share icon or a three-dot menu, typically at the top or bottom of your screen. Select Print from the options presented. You can then choose your connected printer and adjust settings like paper size or the number of copies before sending the print job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.